10 Ways to Make Up with Your Significant Other After a Breakup. Welcome to Top Floor Motivation. In this video, we're going to help you learn 10 ways to make up with your ex after a breakup to get back together. Did you just break up with your significant other and now you want them back? Do you regret the breakup and don't have a clue what to do to work on getting back together? Can you use some help to come up with some unique and awesome ways to make up? Watch this video until the end for some great tips. Breakups can suck, and especially when you question if there should have been a breakup at all. Breakups happen, and even to couples that have been together for months, years, or even weeks. After a fresh breakup, it may feel like you can actually live without the man or woman you love or care about, but after a while, it may start to feel way more painful to live without them. So, now you want to reconcile, reunite, and rekindle the old flames with your significant other. It's never easy to go from breakup to make up at the snap of a finger. So, we'd like to help you make getting back together easier. The saying, "Love deserves a second chance," is easier said than done, especially if love wasn't enough to keep you from breaking up. If you're serious about getting back together with your significant other and don't mind investing your time, effort, and resources, then you may find that mending your relationship may be worth a shot. Here are 10 great ways to mend your relationship with your significant other after a breakup, and especially if you believe you caused the breakup. Number 1. Fix things as soon as possible. Don't let too much time pass before you try to sort out the issues that caused the breakup. Keep in mind that a lover, who's been emotionally hurt by you, may need some time to calm down and cool off, if they wish to see or speak to you again. However, putting in genuine effort to show that you're willing to fix things as soon as possible shows that you care about getting back together with them. Start by talking things out. Don't let your ego keep you from doing what you must do to recover and restore your relationship with your partner to greater levels. If you let the differences carry on for too long, making up can be a lot harder. Number 2. Apologize and avoid repeating the damaging behavior. The first thing to do in your journey of reconciling in your relationship is to genuinely apologize respectfully to your partner for your misdeeds. There are so many ways that you could have hurt or wronged your partner. Making up will be easier if you know and admit the things you did and not repeat them. Let's say you're the type that insults your partner when you get into even a small argument. You should be ready to learn empathy, accountability, and self-control, not just to repair your relationship, but for your personal growth as well. Number 3. Offer to join them on things they love doing. Think of activities or tasks that your significant other likes or loves doing so you can help them. For example, you can offer to help them with their shopping or offer to clean up their yard, attic, or basement. What you're trying to do is positively contribute to your partner's life, emotional well-being, and happiness to give you a better chance at rekindling the relationship. Number 4. Send them flowers. Handpick their favorite flowers to send at their home or work. Just for the sake of fairness, men love getting flowers too. Perhaps you can get him flowers with a spicy scent or surprise him with pretzels or his favorite beer or wine. These gestures may go a long way in helping you to make up with your significant other. Sending flowers or gifts doesn't have to be a one-time thing. Repeating kind gestures can help your partner know you're serious about getting them back. Number 5. Pay for a spa day or massage session for them. Some people love a spa day or massage session after work or during the weekends. Prepay for a spa day or massage session and send the voucher to your significant other as a surprise. Also, send them a nice card or handwritten note to let them know it's on you. Make sure you pick the best spa or massage therapist for them, and it would be even nicer if it's accessible to them for 1 to 2 months before their session expires. Number 6. Call and leave them nice and heartfelt messages. If you're ever going to recover your relationship with your significant other, then you need to stay in touch with them, but not to the point of becoming a nuisance or stalking them. Call them regularly, text, or send other forms of messages so long as they don't tell you to stop contacting them. Stop if they tell you to stop. If they do respond and appear receptive to your efforts, then you may have a strong chance of getting back together. The genuine effort you put forth may be enough to make them consider forgiving and making up with you. Number 7. Get a customized birthday or apology song made for them. If their birthday or Valentine's Day is approaching, you can quickly contact their favorite local musician to make a birthday song for them. If it's already past their birthday, just send them a customized love song from their favorite artist on any other day. You can even send a special montage to them, compile pictures and videos that you have of them, then add an apology message at the end. If you really wish to personalize your apology song, then make one up and sing it to them yourself. Don't worry if you sing off key or can't carry a tune. They may just appreciate the thought. Number 8. Send them a calm and soothing meditation video or DVD. A nice meditation video, DVD, or an online video can do better than you can even imagine in easing their mind. Don't forget to attach an apology message, which could be handwritten, or you can simply include a heartfelt greeting card. Putting them in a lighter or better mood may make them more receptive to accepting your apology. They may appreciate your efforts, and this may increase your chances of making up with them. Number 9. Get them rare items and gifts they like. Consider getting your significant other rare souvenirs from their favorite sports team or collector's items they can add to their collection. If you're lucky enough to get them items signed by their favorite sportsperson, celebrity, or music artist, that might make them even happier. The apology messages you attach to the gift may melt their heart even more. Number 10. Plan a romantic date if they accept your apology. Pick a nice restaurant, maybe the fancy restaurant your significant other likes, and plan for a romantic date when you know they're available. Make special arrangements with the restaurant and reserve a private table in a private setting to avoid a wait beforehand when you arrive. Have a bouquet of flowers and a personalized note from you placed on the table, or arrange to get treated specially by a chef to make your date even more special. Last, but not least, don't forget to kiss, make up, and remind them during and after the date just how much you've missed them. No matter what, if you're trying to go from breaking up to making up with your ex, the decision must be mutual. Making up with someone shouldn't be forced. Never verbally, physically, or otherwise threaten someone if they don't wish to get back together with you. Two people must be committed to making a relationship work. If someone has made it consistently clear that they don't want to get back together with you, then you must move on. As much as it may disappoint or hurt you, you just may be sparing yourself future pain and heartbreak from someone who isn't meant for you. Finally, realize that no number of apologies or gifts will suffice after a breakup if you're not committed to finding ways to fix yourself to make things work or the issue that caused the breakup. It's important for each partner to look at their individual behaviors to examine if they could have done things differently or better. Placing blame on each other shouldn't be the goal. Instead, figure out the root cause of why and how things happened and commit to addressing and solving that issue to move forward for real and meaningful change and progress. If this video was helpful, we'd be thankful if you like, subscribe, hit the notification button, share, comment, or leave a thumbs up below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the top floor.